girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a special video because in today's video we're gonna take a walk into memory lane, okay? We're gonna be doing some cute Kanekalon hairstyles. They are protective hairstyles, perfect for winter, perfect for the holiday season, and also for even the new year, because hopefully in 2021 we will get our life back and we need cute hairstyles for school, for work, for all of that. So I thought I would hook it up and just share these hairstyles with you. If you end up recreating any of these hairstyles because of me, then make sure to send me a picture on Instagram or Facebook, whatever, or tag me in the picture because I would love to see it, okay? And also today I have something very lovely around my neck because this video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. If you have never heard of Ana Luisa before, they are a jewelry company based in New York. They are very sustainable, and that is also a reason why I like working with them so much. It starts with their packaging. It comes in this very simple box, and then in it you have like your pieces in this velvet pouch. And I like these velvet pouches because it protects the jewelry so that it doesn't get scratched, and it's also easy when you are traveling, even though we're not really doing that right now, but if you're traveling you can store your jewelry in these pouches. They are carbon neutral, meaning that they offset 100% of their carbon emissions, starting from all the raw materials all the way to the disposal of their pieces. Their jewelry is also fairly priced. They have pieces starting from $39 and ranging up to higher end pieces. And this also makes them very inclusive, so you don't need to break the bank. You can look for something in your budget, and it will also be a very nice and exceptional piece. I also enjoy wearing their pieces because they are from exceptional quality, meaning that they are crafted from the best noble metals. Your pieces won't change color over time, because that is literally a pet peeve of mine, for your jewelry to change color. That won't happen with these pieces, so that's something that I absolutely love. And also Ana Luisa offers a 365-day warranty so that you can return or refund a piece that doesn't meet your expectation. At the moment, Ana Luisa is having the biggest sale of the year, so it is the perfect time to buy yourself something nice or to buy something for someone else. I feel like we all need a little treat. We all need something nice around our necks to start the new year with. So it's the perfect time to go check them out. You can use the link in my description box. It will be the first link in the description box. Click that and then you will be guided to all their sales. This time I chose for the Blair necklace. It is a two-piece set, so you have the little choker with the little stones here and then a longer pieces so you can stack them together. You can wear them also separately if you would like, but I love them together, so that's what I chose. They retail for 74 euros. And then this earring in the front is the Elise earring. It is a huggy earring and it costs 49 euros. And then the one in the back is the Celeste and it retails for 74 euros. Those are the pieces that I chose. I also got the opportunity to choose something for someone special, and you guys are so special to me. Y'all are my amigas, so I chose something that I want to give away to you, and it is the Joy necklace. It is a cute little heart with a little lock, and it retails for 74 euros. In case you are not the giveaway winner, you can still get this. But this is the beautiful necklace that I chose for you. So the rules to the giveaway are, first of all, that you need to be subscribed to my channel. Second, follow me on Instagram. My handle is @Jennyfer Ross. Follow Ana Luisa on Instagram, and also comment in the comment section down below. First of all, enter and let me know something that you want to achieve in 2021. Those are all the rules, and also I want to thank Ana Luisa so much for collaborating with me. I love you so much. I love all the jewelry that I've received from you, and I just enjoy wearing them every single day and knowing that it's sustainable, that it doesn't hurt our planet. So thank you so much for that. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into this video and show you the cute little hairstyles. So let's go. All right, this is my hair It's blow dried and it's a cute base to get started with. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grab my rattle comb and I'm gonna part my hair with a middle part, like all the way to the back. So you wanna make 2 sections. Make this as straight as you can. If you need to get somebody to help you, but I think you get the point of what I'm trying to do here. I don't really know if it's straight in the back. I hope so. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section down this first section, flip it away. I'm gonna make like a little part here to the side, like that much. Then it's time to add in some edge control. I have multiple ones over here. I think I'm gonna go with Showtime today. And I have this toothbrush that I just used for my hair. I'm gonna take some of the wax and put that in my hair, just around the perimeter and everything. And then I take my comb, I comb it out, and then I make a little part. And then I braid my hair all the way down. So just like this. This is optional, you don't have to do it, but I think it adds something, you know, something fun to the hairstyle. You don't have to braid it all the way to the end. I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna leave that open. Then I take this section of hair. I'm gonna take some of this edge control situation and I'm gonna just apply it to the perimeter of my hair. Not too much, not going too crazy with it. Then I take this type of brush and I just brush everything into a ponytail. Feel like I need a little bit more of the edge control there, so I'm gonna apply some there as well. Take this and put it into the ponytail. And then with a hair tie, just wrap your hair. Make it a little high if you can, but then wrap your hair into a ponytail. And next up, you want to repeat the same step on this side. I'm going to quickly do that and I'll be right back. Alright, amiga, I did the other side. So we have like both sides done now and we're almost there. But we're gonna make it a little bit more fun. We're gonna add some Kanekalon hair. This is the hair that I'm gonna be using today. It is the Aqua Pro pre-stretched hair. I'm gonna start with the first bundle. It has like this little tie thingy in the middle. So I'm taking that off. And then I take like a rubber band. So basically what I did is just loop it over. And then you have like that it's secured to the ponytail. And what I'm gonna do is add this to my hair, to my ponytail. What I'm doing is I'm just tying this to the ponytail that I already have. Like so. Depending on how much hair you have already from yourself, you can like split up this ponytail by making it into 2, or you can just use 2. I'm gonna use 2 because I feel like I have a lot of hair. So what I did is I put the Kanekalon hair on the bottom, and then my own hair is on the top. And then you want to make sure that you detangle your own hair, like that. And then I'm gonna start braiding it. So just make like 3 sections. And then braid it all the way down. Oh my god, this is so cute! I love it! You're coming to an end with your own hair. You can take like some edge control depending on how long you want this to be lasting. I'm not gonna do that today because I'm gonna move on to other hairstyles soon. So I'm not gonna do that today, but you can, you know, add just some product to your own hair to make sure that it just stays in, you know? But then I braid it all the way down. This would have been so much cuter if the hair was even longer. So you might want to get this hair as long as possible. Mine isn't that long, but see, it just reaches up to here, to my boob area, but it's fine to me. I like it that way. But the longer the Kanekalon hair, the cuter I feel like. Then I take like another thinner hair tie and just tie this to my hair. You can even use like a rubber band, whatever. but that's what I'm using right now. I'm just tying it, and then you have one side done. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And there you have your cute little hairstyle. The only thing left for us to do is our baby hairs. I'm gonna use some of my Red One Edge Control, and then I'm gonna just brush it down. I'm gonna make like a little bit of edge art, nothing too crazy, but do as much baby hairs as you would like. But this is the first hairstyle. Super cute. Alright, amiga, I took my hair down and we're ready for hairstyle number 2. Hairstyle number 2 is super easy as well. You still want to keep the part in the middle. So I'm going to section off this side of my hair and put that away. Then we're going to work on this side of the hair. For this side of the hair, you want to moisturize the hair in the middle so that the perimeter is moisturized. You can do that with like some hair lotion, whatever. Actually, I'm not gonna do too much to it since we have more hairstyles to do. So I'm not gonna do much to my hair right now, but if you are planning on wearing your hair like this, you do want to put like some moisturizer in your hair. What I'm gonna do is just brush the front of my hair, like brush all the product that is in my hair right now into my hair more. So I'm gonna go through it with my paddle brush, just like this, and making sure that it's detangled. Then I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm just gonna part like a little square here. A square? A triangle? I don't know. It's a little square like this. I'm gonna brush this one more time, and then I'm gonna start braiding my hair down. This is a Dutch braid, a cornrow braid. I don't even know what kind of braid this is called, but it's the style that you add hair from underneath. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna braid my hair all the way to the back. So let's do that. And I braid all the way down. You don't have to like tie the ends completely. I'm gonna take one of these hair clips to clip it here. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side of my hair. The next thing I'm going to do is take like a hair tie and just tie these two together. Let me turn so you can see. And next up, you just take the two braids and you open them. I'm gonna use one of the bundles right now. I don't think I need two. So I'm gonna do just one right now. And I'm gonna wrap this around my ponytail. It's the same way tied as before. So that's just a technique that I like to do. And then you put the braiding hair under your own hair. You can detangle your own hair one more time to just make sure that it's tangle free. And then you're gonna braid your hair all the way down. So split it into 3. And then braid all the way down. Let's go. I'm just gonna pull it over so I can braid it more easily. Braid it all the way down, amiga. And when you're at the bottom, you can take like another hair tie and just tie your braid down. And this is really cute. Your hair is out of your face, really nice. It's optional, but you can do your baby hairs. I'm gonna do a little bit with my Red One hair styler. Just slick down the hair. There you have it. This is the little hairstyle. You can wear it down like this. Or you can put it like in a little bun by wrapping it around itself. And securing it with a bobby pin. It's up to you what you want to do. You can wear it like this, or you can wear the hair down. So 2 hairstyles in one. I like both. I think I like the bun better. So if I was to wear this, I would do it like with the bun, I think. The ponytail is also kind of cute, like the little braid. You can do this, or you can, yeah, I think I like it better. It's cute like this too though. So it's up to you what you want to do. We are at the last hairstyle. For this last hairstyle, I'm also gonna do like a ponytail hairstyle. So what I'm gonna do is brush my hair up into a ponytail again. You can do it as high or as low as you want. I'm gonna do it as high as possible because I want this to look super festive and baby girl-ish. So I'm gonna brush it into a ponytail. And use whatever you want to use to do your ponytail. We all know our hair the best. You know best what your hair needs to stay in a good ponytail. So use all forces you need, okay? All right, that's what I like. I'm gonna take both of these bundles and put them in my hair. Still in twist, but I'm gonna take the twist down in a second. Like that's one, this is two. So we got two bundles. We take down the little twist and then place them under your own hair, like we have been doing the whole time in this video. Place everything under your own hair. I'm gonna take like quite a chunk of my own hair. And just clip it down like this because I don't want this part braided into the ponytail. Just clip it like that. And the rest of my hair I'm just gonna detangle. And then I'm gonna braid my hair with the Canon hair. Continue to braid all the way to the end. It's a very thick braid, but it's so cute. We have reached the end of the ponytail, or of the braid. So we're gonna secure it again with a hair tie or a rubber band, whatever. Would have been cuter if it was longer even, but this will have to do. Now what I'm gonna do is just take my hair. You can even use like a piece of the Canon hair if your hair isn't long enough. But since my own hair is pretty long, I'm gonna use my own hair to wrap a piece of it around this braid. I'm gonna secure that with a bobby pin. Just happening, something looks funky there. But that's it. This is the cute little hairstyle. If you need it, then you can definitely brush down your baby hairs again. I don't think I really need it right now. I'm just gonna like brush it into place a little bit with this. And that is it. This is the cute little hairstyle that I think I'm gonna be rocking this one this year because I think it's so cute. I like it so much. And I just have been loving ponytails and stuff. As a finishing touch, you can apply some hair perfume. I have the Emma Louise one, and I also have the Xoxo one, and I even have one from Balea. They all smell pretty floral, but today I'm gonna go with the Xoxo one because I haven't used that in quite some time. So just spritz that over your hair. Ooh, it smells so good. I forgot what this smells like. Oh my god, it smells so good. mega for today's video. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And a special thank you goes out to Ana Luisa for hooking me up with all the jewelry and giving me this nice piece to give to you. Check out the link to shop at Ana Luisa. Enter the giveaway by being subscribed to this channel, following me on Instagram, follow Ana Luisa on Instagram, and also leaving me a comment with enter and also a wish that you have for next year. So yeah, that is it. I love you so much and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah!